Hello there, my name is Justin, and I'm going to show you today how to place a door on a fridge. So if you're changing a swing of the door or just placing the door on the fridge because you took it off, it is fairly simple. It's about the same with any fridge out there. All you need to do is mount the bracket in its spots and put the pin. So I can pretty much do this with one hand. You can either do it with a drill, or you can do it without a drill. So I'll set the bottom first. The main screws in spot. Taking this is going to have a right-hand swing to it. So I place this right there. And I'm going to put it in place with like so. It's fairly easy to do. I can actually take this off, get them almost all the way in before placing it on. Slide that down. Tighten down the screws. As you can see, fairly easy to make sure it is completely locked down. Placing the pivot. Going back up at the top, you can do that one as well. Place the first screw in spot. Place that like that. Like I said, you can do pretty much this whole thing with one hand, top and bottom. Top pivot does not need to be on at the moment, so I'll get that out of the way here in a second. I'm going to use my drill on this one. And there you go on the first part.